Christmas memories. I've been working so much.
Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Katrina, aka Mumma Cat, and here on this channel I like to share my family of four's weekly grocery haul and meal plan, as well as what's for dinner videos and freezer meal prep, or just meal prep in general. If you love that kind of content, I would absolutely love for you to stick around, hit that subscribe button. But first of all, we're going to go ahead and get into the meal plan tonight. So if you are ready to get some new dinner ideas for your week ahead, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, and let's get into the meal plan. The meal plan this week is pretty simple. I know a couple of you have been asking me lately for some more cooking videos, and as much as I cannot wait to get more of those videos out on my channel, there is a couple reasons why I won't be sharing them in December. The main reason being that it's Vlogmas at the moment. So Vlogmas has pretty much taken over YouTube, so normal videos like these just really aren't getting shown very much. So I'd rather save that content for early next year when, you know, the views pick up a little bit more, because they do take a lot longer to edit and, you know, voiceover than these grocery hauls do. So that's the main reason. And the other reason being that it is December, which is a super busy time of year for everyone. So I'm really just trying to get these videos out as best I can. Having two channels, it really does make it hard sometimes to give heaps of content on both. So I'm sticking to my one video a week for now on each channel, but hopefully that will pick up in the new year. So on Monday, we're having curried sausages. On Tuesday, we're having carbonara tortellini. On Wednesday, we're just gonna have leftovers. Thursday night, we're having chicken schnitzels with mashed potato and peas. This is honestly my favorite go-to dinner meal. I wanna know what yours is, so let me know in the comments down below, and maybe I will add it to next week's meal plan. Friday is Freezer Friday, so I'm just gonna put together a really simple sheet pan dinner that night and try to just clear out all those half empty bags in the freezer of like frozen vegetables and nuggets and those little smiley potato nugget things that I grabbed a couple weeks ago. So just want to try and clear out some of that stuff ready to fill up the freezer with Christmas food. Then on Saturday night, we're having ravioli bolognese, and on Sunday night, we're going to change it up a bit and have breakfast for dinner. But that's everything that's on our meal plan this week. Hopefully you got some new dinner ideas or some meal inspiration out of that one. The groceries just got back. My partner's just gone and picked those up for me, so I'm going to go ahead and unpack those, and then I'll let you know what is in our grocery haul. So I'm not sure yet if I've mentioned it, but I am having Christmas lunch at our house this year. So I thought I'd start taking advantage of the half price specials in the lead up to Christmas and just get a little collection going in the cupboard ready for Christmas Day. But these Red Rock deli chips were half price this week, and these things are normally really expensive, and they are really good chips. So they had a few new flavors as well that I was so excited to get my hands on, and I cannot wait until Christmas just to try these ones. My partner actually came up with a really fun Christmas game idea to put them all in separate bowls and see if people can guess the flavors of them. Since they are so new, people probably won't know what flavors they are yet, so I thought that would be fun. But the first flavor that I grabbed was these bourbon glazed sticky ribs. I also grabbed the crispy pork belly with apple sauce, and also the braised beef brisket with caramelized onion. So they all sound absolutely amazing. There was a few other new flavors as well, but they just didn't sound as good as these ones. But I'm so excited to try these, but I'm going to put them away for Christmas, as well as these chocolates. These were half price, so I think this celebrations box was $6, and then I also grabbed this Lindor box, which was down to $10. So I just thought I'd put those out on the Christmas table as well, with this spread of other food, so that people can just have a mix of all different kinds of sweets and treats to eat on the day. I also picked up an applesauce this week. These were in the catalog. I don't think they were on special, but it was just a reminder that I needed to grab one. So I just grabbed one of those. I think that was like $1.80. But between the chocolates and the chips, I've already saved over $20 for Christmas just with buying those early. So hopefully I can grab some more half price deals over the next couple weeks, and Christmas should be super cheap. And for those of you who do shop at Woolworths, you know that you can have the option of banking all of your points until Christmas, and I think ours is up around the $200 mark. So hopefully the Christmas grocery haul will actually be free this year, if not really, really cheap. So I'm excited about that. I grabbed one of these long life semi-skim milks just for the cupboard. We ran out of milk this week and we had to go grab some more, so I just wanted to make sure we had one of those in the cupboard so that that doesn't happen again. I also grabbed 2 of our usual A2 2-litre light milks, For meat this week, I grabbed just some of the schnitzels from the deli, and I also grabbed some of these beef sausages in the herb and garlic that we love. That is for the curried sausages night that we're having. I grabbed myself 4 of these little 250ml prune juices. So you guys know I've been adding this to my diet lately just to help with my digestive system, and I also just love all the other benefits that come with drinking prune juice. So I usually get the big 1 liter bottle, but I'm finding that I'm not drinking it in time. It says on the back that it has to be drank in like 6 days, I think it is, and then you have to throw it out. So I'm not sure how strict you have to be with prune juice. I'm not sure what happens when prune juice goes bad. So I just prefer to listen to the label and throw it out, but a lot of it is getting wasted. So I thought I'd grab these little 250ml bottles. I usually have half a glass when I need it, like each morning. So the 1 bottle should usually be enough for when I'm actually needing it, and then it shouldn't go to waste, and the others can just always be in the fridge for when I need them. I also grabbed some of these Rafferty's Garden apple, pear and cinnamon porridges for my 2-year-old. Tuna was half price this week, so I grabbed 4 of the chili tunas. I love having that as a snack on little Ritz biscuits with some cheese. I also grabbed a couple in the olive oil blend, some sweet corn and mayonnaise flavored ones, and then I also grabbed the lemon and cracked pepper tuna as well. I love adding that to like a lettuce salad, so any, I don't know, like a Caesar salad, but without the Caesar salad dressing. It seriously tastes so good in those. I also grabbed some Just Right cereal. My 4-year-old was asking me for that one. And I grabbed a box of wipes at the back there. We always need those around here with 2 toddlers. I grabbed some nappies this week. These Baby Love nappy pants were half price. They were down to $10 a packet, and our nappies that we usually get is around, I think, $20. So I thought I'd just grab those ones this week, and hopefully they fit just as well. I grabbed some potatoes as well, just a 2-kilo bag. We still have about 2 kilos left over from the 4 kilos we brought last week. I also grabbed our usual 2 loaves of wholemeal, the one bread. And then I also just grabbed some snacks this week for the kids. I needed a couple more bags of the mini rice cakes in the triple berry yogurt for my 2-year-old. And then I just grabbed these chicken flavored rice cakes for my 4-year-old as well. For fruit this week, I just went super simple again. I've just grabbed 1 punnet of strawberries, and I've also just grabbed a big bunch of bananas here as well. The kids aren't really loving fruit at the moment, so I'm just keeping it really basic and simple and not too many colors, and they seem to be liking just the bananas and strawberries, and they're not putting up as much of a fight as they do when I start putting like heaps of different berries and things like that on their plate. I also grabbed 2 lettuces here. I think they're about $1.90 or $2 at the moment, but they're creeping up a little bit again, but they're still super cheap. So I wanted to make sure I had a couple of those in the fridge so that I could keep making up salads this week. And then I also just got this vanilla 2-liter ice cream. It's just the Woolworths brand. It is super cheap, but I just wanted to grab one just to throw into the deep freezer in case we have any desserts and want to add a little bit of ice cream to it. So that is everything that is in this week's grocery haul and meal plan. I hope you got some new dinner ideas for your week ahead. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my cleaning channel over on Katrina Marie. I will leave a little card at the top here somewhere for you to click on, and that will take you straight there. Otherwise, go ahead and check out the description box down below, because I always have that channel linked down there somewhere. But until next week, I hope you all have a really fantastic week, and I will see you back here again really soon with a brand new grocery haul. Bye.
Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep.